Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. I will keep today's video as short as possible because I know we are been a little overwhelmed here lately with the healthcare non-phone work from home job leads. And I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but there is a specific reason I wanted to share this one. So without wasting any more time, the Swedish healthcare company is hiring an authorization specialist billing office. This is work from home remote. And right here it says you'll be working for the billing office at Swedish Shared Services. And this position is 100% remote and you do not need to live in Washington State to apply. So no matter where you are, this is United States only, but no matter where you are in the United States, you can apply. Now, this right here is the reason that I wanted to share this job. Within certain hours, this has flexible shift options. Their operating hours start at 6 a.m. in the morning and go all the way to 6 p.m. in the evening, Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday, so no weekends are required. And they offer flexible shift options, so you get to choose. You can work 5 8-hour shifts, you can work 4 9-hour shifts, and then 1 4-hour shift on Friday. The whole reason I wanted to share this, I'm going to assume the way this is written, that they offer flexible schedule options just like the company I work for. Ours are a little bit different. The company that I work for, our business hours are from 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. So we start about 30 minutes later than they do. But other than that, we give our people the option to work whatever you would like to work within those parameters. 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. or in their case 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is a 12-hour window. We do require our employees to take at least a 30-minute unpaid lunch break, but other than that, you can set your schedule to work whatever you want to in those perimeters. So in the company that I work for, we allow you to decide if you want to work 4 10-hour days and have Fridays off, 4 9-hour days and a half a day on Friday. You can work 5 8-hour days. You really get to choose. And what's flexible about that is not just the flexibility of not having to work standard 5 8-hour days, but your start and end times too. So as long as you get your 8 hours, 10 hours, 9 hours, whatever you decide you're doing for the day in, the start and end times, at least at the company that I work for, are flexible. We have some people that start at 6:30 in the morning, only work 8 hours, and literally are off by like 2:30ish in the afternoon. We have some people that start early, 6:30 a.m., work a 10-hour day, and are still off by 5 o'clock in the evening to do dinner with their families, and then they also get Fridays off every week. We have some people that are not morning people and don't want to start until like 9 a.m. They would rather sleep in and not have to be in the office up and working by 8, so they choose to not start until 9 a.m. Those are the ones who work later to 6 or 6:30 in the evening. So you can really flex this around your lifestyle and what works best for you. So that is the reason I wanted to share this. But real quickly, they're looking for an insurance verification person to function as an integral part of their revenue cycle team. So they want someone to ensure patient account reimbursement by obtaining demographics, complex insurance information, partnering with care management to provide clinical information, and ultimately ensuring the required authorizations are in place. Now, in today's healthcare world, authorizations requested from the insurance company are mostly done online through the portal. There's very few times you actually have to pick up the phone and call the insurance company. So this is going to end up being a mostly non-phone, if not all non-phone position. They do have a few requirements, including 1 year experience in customer service or healthcare registration, previous healthcare experience in either a provider or payer site, experience obtaining insurance verifications, referrals, or authorizations. Now, unfortunately, they do not provide what their pay is for this job. That would have to be asked at the time of the interview. Please note that they do have a note down here that their application system is going to be unavailable starting June 24th at 5 p.m. as they are making upgrades to their software and portals. So make sure if you're interested in this, you get your applications in prior to that date. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.